Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based on Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you a new trick that they have introduced into Adobe Photoshop. There has been a recent update with Adobe Photoshop, the 2023 version, which I highly recommend you to check out. And what they've done as always around sort of the October time is introduce new tools and tricks just to make our lives even easier than what they were before. In this particular instance, what I would like to do is remove the flower from this particular image, okay? So I'm going to use my selection tool here, object selection tool, and make sure the mode is at rectangle, and I'm going to come through and make a loose selection around this flower, like so. Just need to quickly remove this section here from our selection. Okay, so now we have our selection live. What I would like to do is remove it. Before, what we have to do is go edit content where fill, Now what we can do is just use a shortcut of shift backspace or shift delete, whatever way you phrase it. And what will happen now, it will automatically do the content aware fill for you, and it will remove the flower from the image as easy as that. And that's the new little trick I'd like to show you within Adobe Photoshop, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.